Crowcoin holders, what comes next? We're seeing a massive drawdown. The crypto market's tanking. Words of a bear market are ringing loud and clear. Are we actually in a bear market? Let's talk about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, I want to show you guys this Crowcoin chart right here. Unfortunately, we are seeing candle closures below 12 cents. And guys, I was saying if we can't maintain above 12 cents, I expect this to draw down and retest at least 0.11, basically 11 cents. And I say if we can't hold that level, I do expect us to come down, break below 10 cents and actually tap this wick. I do think that probably plays out. I think there's a higher chance that plays out now since we're closing below 12 cents. Maybe we get a little bit of a bounce here soon. But guys, you know, usually when you see this type of price action where it's clear that we're in a bearish phase, usually it's elevators down and stairs up. And that's exactly what we've been seeing. You know, you see we're breaking down and then you get a little tiny step up, lower high, reject down. You come back up, stair step up, elevator down, stair step up, and now I think that we're probably going to see another elevator down here soon. And guys, that's why, you know, I've been telling you guys I've been hedging just in case. Over on Twitter, I just posted this. Follow me at 233 Blacksea. I say micro hedge short back above 500% in the profit. And it is. I'm still holding this trade open because, guys, I think that the risk is to the downside right now. And I put my money where my mouth is, and I am shorting these altcoins. I am shorting Crowcoin. I am shorting Pepe, Doge, and many other coins as well. And, guys, that doesn't mean I don't believe in said coin or said asset, but when the trades present themselves, I strike it because that's how I make profit and that's how I can accumulate more Bitcoin, and that is my strategy. Now, I'm showing you guys right now my trade it's growing right now. At the time of recording this video, Crowcoin is dumping more. We're at about 542% in the profit of about $1,000. Not a significant trade, guys. I still hold spot Crowcoin, by the way, a few 100,000 Crow. But, like I said, when the trades present themselves, I'm going to hedge against my spot positions, and I'm going to try to mitigate downside risk. So I'm shorting, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. This is not a multi-six-figure trade. This is not anything massive. It's just a way to hedge against my spot positions. Now, if you guys don't want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. Sign up to Blowfin, get a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign-up bonus, as well as when you sign up using our affiliate link down below, you get access to our private Discord where we have trade signals and more of a one-on-one community. So feel free to check that out, guys. Lucrative bonuses for you guys, and it helps support this channel, so it's a win-win for everybody. Now, right now, Bitcoin has tapped $94,000. If you've been watching, I've been calling for this price target for a while now. And I will say, I do expect in the next coming days here, we're moving into weekend price action, right? The daily candle closures in the next 58 minutes here. I do think that there's a good chance that we see a bounce off of 94,000. But I will say that this next daily candle closure is extremely important. If we see a daily candle closure above, say, like 98,000 in the next hour or so, which it can happen, then I think that we're probably due for a little bit more of a bounce off of this. But really got to be closing back above 107,000, which is crazy to say out loud because we've come down so fast. Otherwise, I think that this will just become a lower high. And I do think that there's probably a likelihood, whether we see a bounce now or later, we probably are going to be cutting through 94,000 in the coming weeks or so, unless we see a massive shift in the overarching macroeconomics of the world or some crazy bullish news from Trump, because sometimes, I mean, guys, let's be real here. That's kind of the kind of market we're in right now. He can come out and say, we're implementing tariffs, and then you see the market drop, or you can say we're giving out $2,000 stimulus checks to everyone, then all of a sudden Bitcoin's at new all-time highs. But regardless, when you zoom out here, guys, and you look at this, it looks like that was the top at 126,000 for now. It's definitely a local top. But now the next question is, are we moving into a bear market? I think that will become a lot more clear if we start to trade around 88,000, which I will say I think that target is coming relatively soon, before the end of 2025, in my opinion. Now, guys, it's not fun being a bear. It's not. But the market goes in waves. There's a pendulum that is always swinging to the bullish, to the bearish, to the bullish, to the bearish. You can't have the bullish without the bearish, and you can't have the bearish without the bullish, okay? And in my opinion, if you truly believe in Bitcoin as an asset, which I do, I buy Bitcoin every single day. I've been buying some chunks recently as we've been below 100,000. Then you should be viewing this as an opportunity. Now, next question is, well, what about altcoins? Guys, I'm going to be honest. If you expect Bitcoin not to bounce and go to all-time highs immediately, then probably shorting alts is probably the move. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys how I am navigating these markets and how I'm mitigating losses on my spot positions. All right, guys? And I've been very adamant, been telling you guys that I have been taking profit along the way since basically whenever Solana was around $8 to $16. That's when I was buying, and I've been taking profit along the way since then on all my alts. And I got into SWE a little bit, took a little bit of a loss as I saw the altcoin market kind of freezing up a bit. I had some profitable trades during it, but also had some spot positions, which I'm hedging against now. I'm shorting. But yeah, guys, when the market starts to shift, it doesn't mean you just have to be blindly buying the dip. You can also make money while the market is coming down by shorting. Now, what do you guys think? Do you think that the bottom is in? Do you think that we're getting ready to see a further move to the downside? I want to know what you guys think. That's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. Sign up to Blowfin, get access to our private Discord. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.